Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to this brand new video. My name is Phil and welcome back to this brand new PHP tutorial series. In this PHP tutorial series I'm going to show you a lot of PHP stuff in combination with some MySQL and of course object-oriented PHP programming. Have fun watching the video right now and let's go! Alright, as you can see, PHP 7 is still a really important programming language. In 2019 actually we got the version of PHP number 7, and yeah, as you can see here, PHP is a server-side backend language where you can code for your server. And actually, if you are here on your computer and you see the website, you actually cannot access directly to the code of PHP because the PHP code is on your server and cannot be changed. And that's the reason why PHP is very secure and a very good programming language, because you can interact with your database. You can do security stuff like accessing passwords or usernames in logins, or get connections to your database. And actually you can write HTML as well. This is why it makes PHP one of the best server-side languages for your websites and for creating web applications, not only for websites, even as well for phone applications as well. And that's the reason why you should learn PHP, especially in combination with MySQL. It's a very strong server-side scripting language. I don't gonna talk too much right now. I'm gonna just start right now with the tutorial number 1 on how to install Apache locally and MySQL database locally on your computer. And with Apache you can use PHP and install PHP on your computer. So let's begin right now. There's actually one program you need here right now, and this is called XAMPP. And XAMPP install Apache web server locally on your computer with PHP included. And of course you can use a database like MariaDB or MySQL, and it's available for Windows, Linux, or for your Mac. Choose whatever you want. You can go to apachefriends.org and download the Windows version in my case, and the download started right now. Alright, after the download is ready, please install the program and follow the introductions in the installer, and then you can start your program here. And of course you see here the modules like Apache and MySQL. Those two are the most important here right now, and you can easily start them. But before we start them, we should change one important thing. So go into your computer, go to your XAMPP folder here right now, and here you can go to Apache config and extra folder, and here you see the httpd vhosts.conf file. Please open this and edit this. And actually you can see two listings here. In my case, we're gonna take the localhost listing here right now, and as you can see the server name is localhost. So if you type in your browser localhost, it will redirect to this folder, and here it has to be in this htdocs folder here right now. So let's go back to our htdocs folder and create a new one, and let's call it just PHP. In my case, you can call whatever you want. And let's change the directory to PHP here inside the PHP folder, and the document root and the directory as well. Let's save it, maybe restart your program, and now start Apache and start of course the MySQL server. We're gonna need this later, but not now in this tutorial. And if you go to admin, or if you type in localhost in your browser, it will redirect to this folder here right now. And as you can see, there's nothing inside because we have no index.php or index.html. We have to create them here, and let's go on. Alright, so I opened the workspace here in my IDE. I use Visual Studio Code, which I really recommend to use for you as well. And yeah, let's start by creating a new file. I just included the favicon.ico. Let's create a new file, and of course it's PHP, so you have to name it index .php to get access to the file. And of course if you save this right now and go back to your homepage, you will see now it's just a white website here right now, because there's nothing inside. And of course PHP includes HTML, so you can use the whole HTML stuff inside the PHP file. So in my case, I'm just going to create a basic HTML file here right now. Let's change the name of the title here to banana coding here as well. And now if you go to your website, you can see the title is Banana Coding, and basically you install PHP on your computer and you can start programming. Let's include some basic stuff here right now. So for example, let's include the icon, the favicon icon, which I included inside my folder here right now. So this will be a shortcut icon, and href is here in my case favicon.ico, and type is equal to image/ico. Okay, and of course you can use style sheets as well. So let's create a new one and let's call it styles.css, and of course we just can include the href here as well as link, and just go to styles.css and type, in my case here is just text/css, and rel here is style sheets, or just style sheet without s at the end. Okay, and if we go here and we can say body, we say background is black, for example, to see if it works, and we refresh, the background is black here right now. Cool. So this works really well. Hope to see you in the next second tutorial. See you soon. Bye.